Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Roblox ID on mobile. First, open the Roblox application on your mobile device, making sure you are properly logged into your account. Once the app loads, navigate to the specific item or game you are interested in. You might be looking for a particular clothing item, a game experience, or an audio asset. This initial step sets the foundation for easily retrieving the identification number you need. After selecting your desired item, tap on it to open its individual details page. Here, you will see various information about the item, including its description, creator, and related content. Carefully look for a share button or an icon with 3 dots, which typically indicates more options. This is a crucial step to access the unique identifier that differentiates your chosen item from millions of others within the platform. Once you locate and tap the share icon, a small pop-up menu will appear on your screen, presenting several ways to share the item. Among these options, you will find Copy Link. Go ahead and tap this particular option to save the full item URL to your device's clipboard. Although it saves the entire link, the numeric identification you need is conveniently embedded within that copied web address. Now, open any Notes application or a simple text editor on your mobile device. Paste the link you just copied into this new document. You will see a long web address. Focus on finding a string of numbers located between catalog/ or game/ and the item's name. This numerical sequence, typically between 8 and 10 digits long, is the precise Roblox ID you were looking for, making it easy to identify the asset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.